Hi lovely viewers, welcome back to my channel. This is Peace. So today I'll be showing you how a 12-year-old boy mingles posho so perfectly. So kindly, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. So let's go into it. For starters, we shall need boiling water. So right there he's putting the water on fire. After very few minutes, the water is already boiling. So he'll take some water and keep it in the kettle, just in case he needs to add when he's mingling. After keeping your water aside, then you add in posho little by little. You don't pour all of it at once. And right now the mingling starts. It's a matter of moving your mingling stick around your flour. So right here he's adding in the remaining flour, but in case you don't need it, then you don't add it. In case the posho becomes hard, then you add in part of the water that was kept aside until you get the consistency you need. So when you're done, you just collect it together and make one solid ball. Then you go to the next step. Most people actually eat it from that level, which is okay because it's ready. But then if you want some good aroma from it, you continue to the step of the banana leaves. So right here we have a saucepan. We've already put banana fibers which we used for the previous meal, and that banana leaf also worked for the previous meal. Then we've put water too. We shall then get a fresh banana leaf and lay on top of that. That's where we're going to put our food. Then we wrap it in just like that. So right now, he'll put it back on fire to give our food some nice aroma. There is some nice aroma that comes in the posho when you steam it for a while. So we shall let it go for about 2 hours. It's been 2 hours already, and it's time for serving. And yes, he's the same person serving. Thank you so much for watching. Please, if you're new, subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, leave me a comment. I'll be glad to hear from you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.